Clerkenwell LGBTQIA+ History Project, Video 6. This one is Philip Cox, 1956 to 1992. Philip was a socio-political activist who did an awful lot for young gay people, especially in the 1970s and 1980s. He trained and qualified in for working on the gay switchboard in 1977, and after that he volunteered and spoke to many people on the switchboard number. That number was there to help people in crisis who rang up. Um, he lived in Godfrey House in Bath Street. Godfrey House is a tower block, and he ran a pirate radio station called Gay Waves 103.7 FM. And there's various sound clips available from the British Library, and he contributed to gay news. He was involved in, he had like broadcasting aerials on his balcony, and most of the information I found out was from a eulogy written by one of his friends, and it's really moving. I think it was about March 2009, but it's been updated more recently. And what I thought I might do is actually contact this friend of Philip to find out more, maybe even interview him at some point for this project that I'm trying to do, because I'd like to get permanent points put on the map, a bit like the pink pins that were placed all around Islington for Islington's Pride between 2017 and 2022. Unfortunately, a lot of these have been removed, and because like Philip Cox died in 1992, so over 30 years ago. His legacy probably isn't that well known by all of the LGBTQIA+ community. I only found out about it because of Islington Pride's websites after clicking on all of the links, and there is no pink pin down on Bath Street. And my idea is to perhaps ask for permission to put a label on lampposts, maybe high up on lampposts, something that will perhaps give information that can be found out about via the web, maybe even VR. The pink pin thing had QR codes, but they're not exactly secure, so I need to find out whether some other thing, maybe some rainbow labels on lampposts would work, maybe high up, so they're less likely to be stolen or damaged. So um, I'll finish that video there, but I will be doing a lot more of these videos. So thanks for watching, and look out for the next few. Bye for now.